So this is a real quick video when you log into your Plangrid account and it tells you that you are over your sheet limit and to contact your administrator. This is a real quick video to show you how to fix that problem. First, you go to the internet, you type in Plangrid, you scroll down to where it says Plangrid Home, you click on Plangrid, top right corner you'll press the login and you type in your email address. Password. Okay. Once you get this prompting, it shows how many sheets you have. He's 567 over 550. On the right hand side, you will see a list of all the projects that you are invited to. So you'll click Leave Project. Pick a project that's an old project that you're not going to be needing. All the projects with an X in front of them means that they're done. So I'm going to leave the Tom Dixon and confirm leaving that project. It brings my sheets down. The Chino Hills EDD, very old project. Leave project. And there you have it. Account is now unlocked. If anybody has any questions, please give me a call or shoot me an email, and I'll be happy to help you out.